So let's dive into some actual work and examples of how we can use this Git here. So I just have my WebStorm open, and I'm just going to create a new project and go from there. Right now this is my path, and I'm just going to change it from untitled, the folder name, to SEO, that's not right, Git test, like this. So this is the name of the folder. I'm going to click create, and then this is completely blank, and I'm just going to create a new file real quick, and I want a HTML file that says index like this, and it's awesome time. So very basic, nothing really. We don't really need to do a lot of things. We just need to have this ready and have a file ready for this. So we're going to do a right click up here and reveal in Finder on a Mac, and I think it's Explore on something on the Windows machine. So we need to make sure that we're in the right folder right here, and just have this open so you can see what happens. In our terminal, in our WebStorm, we're going to open our terminal here. And first things you need to do is you need to go down here and to make sure that you're in the right folder. So I know right now my name is Git test, and we're going to be using this specific folder. Now, quick information if you need to navigate, if you forgot, cd space 2 dots makes you go one folder back, and the name of the folder is this one. To enter a folder, you go cd and the name Git, and then you can use tabulator to complete it. If you're lazy and you don't want to write everything, hit enter to go into a folder, ls on a Mac to see what's in the folder, dir, short for directory, on a Mac, on a PC to show you the content of that folder. Make sure you're in the correct folder. If you can't find it, use this Finder here to navigate to the correct folder. It's really important that you're in the right one, so make sure you're in that one. Before we can continue, we need to make sure we have Git installed. So you can do this Git space double dashes and type version. So if your version is installed, you can see down here Git version mine is 2.14.3, and you need to have this to make it work. And you need to now remember your password and your login information. So have those ready right now. Cool. Now we have installed our Git, we have a folder, and we're going to do something called Git Init. And Git Init is we're initializing the system here. So we're telling our local computer this folder right now is going to be part of a Git repository. So hit enter, and now it says initializing Git repository on Git, and then if you remembered in the illustration I told you it's going to create a folder called .git, and if we see here right now it's actually not able to see it because I'm not showing hidden files, but it's there, trust me. So if it says this, then it's there. That's kind of the first thing we need to do to start up our a Git repository locally on our computer. In the next video we're going to show you the next part of start uploading and making changes and so on.